This isn't just an entryway. It's a step toward better days. Built with wood, patience, and love. I'm rebuilding not just the floor, but my strength. Hashtag do-it-yourself healing. Hashtag entryway transformation. Hashtag poetry pathways progress. You can support me by clicking on the subscribe button and leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for following my journey back to health, and I hope that you will feel comfortable enough to share your own journey with me. I hope you have a great rest of your day and a great Sunday. That's the Wipe On Clear gloss poly I use. This is the wood putty I use to seal up the seams. This is a shot of the floor after applying 3 coats of warm gloss Minwax Wipe On Poly.